Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a moving animation in your video with CapCut step by step. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process there. So here we go. I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I have got two images. I want this car to move right here, and after that it should wait for a moment and then it should go right here on the right side, and it should again wait for a moment, and after that it should go back again here in this place, and then it should move to its own parking spot. So let's do this. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the starting point. Let's say I want to start the actions from right here, and I have to select the image that I want to move. So I've selected this image, and after that we have to go under video. We'll find this basic option, and after that we'll see this transform option, and under transform we have got scale feature, position feature, and rotate feature. And if you just take a look at the right side, you can see each one has these diamonds. These are keyframes action that we can take. So we can select the keyframes individually for each of the features, or if I click here for the transform, it will select keyframe for all of them. So I'm going to click on position to activate the keyframe. Just take a look, I have got a keyframe right here, and now I want this car should move from this place to this place after this time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply drag my car from that place to here, and just take a look, we have got a new keyframe added. Now if I want this to go straight away, then I can simply take another keyframe and I can move this car right here. But what I want, let me just show you in practical. So if I simply add a new keyframe by moving this car right here, you can see another keyframe added. And if I play this, it didn't wait right here, which is not looking nice. So it just moved right there. So what I want to do, I want to remove this keyframe from here, and let's go back right here. All right. So after getting our car into this position, I want this car to wait for a moment. And to achieve this, we're gonna drag our pointer right here. And after that, I'm gonna click here again on position so that the car will stay till this place. And after that, now I want my car to move from here to here. So let's move it right there. And now if we just take a look, okay, it's waited for a moment, but if I want, I can increase the moment like this. So here we go. And then it started again. It went to the right side. And after that, I want this to wait for a moment. So I want to add another keyframe. So I'm going to click here again. And after that, now I'm going to get my pointer right here, and I can simply take my car right here. And if you just take a look, the positions are changing. So if I take my pointer right here, take a look at the position. If I take my pointer right on this keyframe, you can see the position, it is changing, and we are changing it with our cursor, right? So after coming this car right in this place, I want the car should wait for a moment. So I'm gonna add again, click on position, and after that I'm gonna take my cursor right here and then move the car into the place where I want to, right? So here we go. Now if I play the animation from the beginning, I'm gonna make it bigger, and here we go. Okay, it came, waited, then it went to the right, waited for a moment, then going back to its into the left side, and then waiting, and then it is going to its own parking space. So it's all about using the keyframes, right? So just practice a little bit and then you should be able to achieve this easily. And not only car, you can do animation, you can move any kind of objects with these keyframes using your CapCut. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and let me know your opinion by commenting below, and don't forget to check out my other CapCut tutorials to learn video editing with CapCut. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good one.